I heard you loud and clear. More microwave recipes. So today we're gonna get creative because that's what we do on this channel, and we're gonna make this amazing 1-minute mug Twinkie. Because why wouldn't you turn the most iconic snack cake into a mug cake? This is quick, fluffy, and amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna make this directly in the teacup. I personally like to use this instead of a mug just because you get a really nice rise, but you can use a mug if you want. You're gonna melt the butter and add the sugar and vanilla. Careful with the vanilla, this is such a small amount of batter, so you'll only need a tiny amount of vanilla. I've added the milk. Do not use cold milk or the butter will seize. I know you're not listening to me, but I did warn you. Give this a quick mix and add the flour and baking powder. If you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. I post new videos every week. Give your batter a good mix, get creative, bust out that, mixer with one attachment, okay? We don't want lumps. Scrape the bottom, clean the edges, and this baby's ready for the microwave. You're gonna microwave your mug Twinkie for anywhere between 1 minute to 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm just gonna speed up the video, and this is what I mean when I say I like to use a teacup. You get this really beautiful fluffy dough. Now this is delicious as is, but we're gonna make it better and turn this into a mug Twinkie with Marshmallow Fluff. Before developing this recipe, I had never tried Marshmallow Fluff before, and to my surprise, it's just a fluffy meringue frosting. Do not judge the fluff till you try it. It's good. He's approved, especially with this recipe. You don't want to eat it alone, but with this cake, it's amazing. Now you can add the Marshmallow Fluff directly on top, but if you carve out the center of the mug Twinkie with a cookie cutter, that's when things become deliciously interesting. The heat of the warm mug cake will sort of melt that Marshmallow Fluff. It's good. Honestly, this is the most delicious mug cake I've ever made. So add the Marshmallow Fluff on top, top it with the cake you removed, and let this sit for about 1 minute. No more than that, because you do want to enjoy this warm. There's just something so comforting about that warm vanilla cake and that gooey filling. This is a 10 out of 10 in my book. Add some powdered sugar, and we're just gonna dive right into this. This is like next level Twinkie and mug cake. Let's just press replay, okay? It is so soft and amazing. I'm telling you, you will be blown away by how good this is.